Trash isn't just waste. It's a treasure chest, waiting to be unlocked. Imagine turning those forgotten tires, empty bottles, and old spoons into stunning garden sculptures that instantly transform your outdoor space. These aren't just decorations. They are vibrant, creative statements that bring personality, color, and a sense of wonder to your garden. Welcome to Golden Years Gardening. Whether you're new to crafting or looking for simple yet eye-catching projects, these 10 DIY sculptures are perfect for anyone, especially seniors who want to create without stress or heavy tools. Today, we'll reveal 10 mind-blowing recycled garden sculptures that combine ease, beauty, and a spark of magic. You'll see just how simple materials and a little imagination can work wonders. And we have a bonus for you at the end of the video. So, ready to bring your garden to life? Let's get started. 1. Colorful tire totems. Easy stack and paint sculpture. Let's begin with one of the most dramatic and simple sculptures you can make. Tire totems. Old tires often sit unused and unwanted, but when cleaned, painted, and stacked, they become bold, colorful pillars that add height and vibrancy to any garden corner. Here's how to do it. First, clean each tire well, using soap and water to remove dirt and grime. Choose weather-resistant spray paint in bright, cheerful colors. Turquoise, sunshine yellow, or fiery orange work beautifully. Paint the tires evenly on all sides. If you want a natural look, leave the tires black but seal them with a clear coat for durability. Once dry, stack 2 or 3 tires vertically, securing them with a long metal rod or sturdy garden stake through the center holes. For added charm, plant succulents or trailing flowers inside the top tire, letting greenery cascade down the sides. The resulting sculpture is a towering burst of color and life. A perfect conversation starter that's both artistic and functional as a planter. And the best part? This project requires no heavy machinery or complicated skills. Just paint, patience, and a little love for bright colors. 2. Glass bottle mosaic borders. Light catching garden edges. Next up, a sculpture that literally shines, glass bottle mosaic borders. Gather bottles of various shapes and vibrant colors, emerald greens, deep blues, and warm ambers. Make for stunning light play. Start by washing and drying each bottle thoroughly. Then, bury the necks of the bottles neck down into the soil around your flower beds or along pathways to create a shimmering fence. Arrange the bottles close enough so the colors merge into a sparkling mosaic that catches sunlight and casts beautiful reflections throughout the day. For a more sculptural effect, glue or wire bottles together into circles or spirals on stakes to create glowing freestanding art pieces. No cutting or power tools needed here, just an eye for color and placement. The magical effect of glass bending and breaking sunlight brings a fairy tale quality to your garden. 3. Spoon petal flowers, shiny, reflective garden blooms from bottles to metal. Old spoons can become elegant flower sculptures with just a little bending and creativity. Carefully use pliers to bend the spoon heads into curved petals. This process is gentle and safe, perfect for those who want hands-on crafting without heavy tools. Paint the spoon petals with soft metallic shades like silver, copper, or pastel tones for added charm. Attach the petals to sturdy wire or rebar to create stems. Cluster several spoon flowers together in a pot or plant them directly into your garden soil. Their shiny surfaces catch the sunlight, creating sparkling highlights and adding twinkling whimsy to your outdoor space. These flowers never wilt and require no watering. A lasting bloom all year round. 4. Driftwood animal figures. Rustic sculptures from nature. Driftwood and scrap wood are treasures from nature, perfect for crafting charming garden sculptures with rustic appeal. Start by gathering pieces of driftwood, weathered, smooth, and full of character. If you don't have access to driftwood, look for scrap wood from old furniture or pallets. Clean the wood and lightly sand rough edges for safety. Now imagine piecing these natural elements into whimsical shapes: a perched bird, a resting rabbit, or a twisting tree branch. Use weatherproof wood glue or small nails to assemble your sculpture. Because the wood is already weathered, these pieces blend seamlessly into your garden's natural setting. Protect your creation with an outdoor sealant or varnish to ensure it withstands rain and sun. The beauty of driftwood art is in its imperfections. Each knot, twist, and worn surface tells a story, making your sculpture truly one of a kind. 5. Painted plastic bottle flowers. Bright, everlasting blooms. Plastic bottles are more than just waste. They're a canvas for colorful, weatherproof garden flowers. Gather empty plastic bottles and clean them thoroughly. Using scissors, carefully cut the bottles into petal shapes. You can create simple daisy petals or more complex layered blossoms by cutting multiple sets. Paint your petals with bright, UV-resistant spray paint to ensure the colors last through sun and rain. Assemble the petals around bottlenecks or attach them to bamboo sticks to form flower stems. Place your plastic bottle flowers in pots or directly in the soil. Unlike real flowers, they never need watering and stay vibrant year-round, adding cheerful pops of color to even the dullest garden spots. 6. Tin can wind chimes. Melodic, upcycled garden art add movement and music to your garden with charming tin can wind chimes made from recycled cans. Collect clean tin cans of various sizes. Drill small holes around the rims and bottoms of each can. Thread recycled string or fishing line through the holes, connecting the cans in clusters. Add beads, small washers or metal washers between cans to create richer sounds. Paint the cans with bright, weather-resistant colors or leave them raw for a rustic look. Hang your wind chime in a breezy spot near your porch or garden path. With every gentle breeze, the cans sing a soft, tinkling melody, bringing life and sound to your outdoor space. This project requires minimal tools and delivers maximum charm and satisfaction. 7. Mosaic tile stepping stones. Personal, colorful paths. Turn leftover tiles, broken dishes, or glass pieces into beautiful mosaic stepping stones. Functional art that guides visitors through your garden. Start by preparing a mold, an old cake pan, a shallow box, or even a circular plastic tray works perfectly. Mix quick-setting concrete according to package instructions and pour it into the mold. Before the concrete sets, press colorful tile shards or glass pieces into the surface, arranging them in patterns or abstract designs. After drying, seal the stones with an outdoor sealant for durability. Place these stepping stones along garden paths or as decorative accents. The sparkle of glass and rich colors make each stone a unique work of art that brightens your walk in your space. 8. Upcycled metal garden critters. Whimsical, durable art. Old tools, nails, and scrap metal come to life as whimsical garden critters. Bend wire into legs, wings, or antennae. Use nuts, bolts, and small metal scraps to form eyes, noses, and bodies. If welding isn't your thing, try strong metal adhesives or twist wires securely. Once assembled, paint with rust-resistant outdoor paint or let the natural patina develop for an industrial look. Place your metal critters hiding in flower beds or perched on fence posts. They're guaranteed to spark smiles. 9. Wooden pallet planters. Rustic and functional garden art. Discarded wooden pallets are a perfect base for rustic garden planters or vertical art installations. Carefully dismantle the pallet, sanding rough edges for safety. Arrange the planks into raised planter boxes, garden benches, or wall-mounted vertical gardens. Paint or stain the wood with weatherproof finishes. Fill your planters with colorful flowers, herbs, or succulents. Pallet planters add both structure and lush greenery, perfect for small spaces or patios. They're an easy way to recycle bulk materials into something beautiful and practical. 10. Decorative rock sculptures. Natural, soothing garden features. Finally, stack and paint smooth garden rocks to create simple, soothing sculptures. Collect stones of different sizes and shapes. Arrange them into towers, spirals, or creative shapes along paths or in garden corners. Use outdoor paint to add colorful designs, patterns, or inspiring words. These rock sculptures require no special tools, just patience and a steady hand. They bring calm and natural beauty, perfect for meditation gardens or quiet retreats. Since you watched to this level, this bonus is for you. Expert tips for longevity. Keeping your sculptures beautiful. Your recycled sculptures are treasures. Here's how to keep them looking fresh and sturdy through every season. Use outdoor-grade paints and sealants to protect colors and materials from fading and weather damage. Anchor sculptures firmly into the ground or use heavy bases to prevent tipping in wind or storms. Combine materials thoughtfully. Metal and wood make durable pairs, but some plastics may need extra protection. Schedule seasonal checkups. Touch up paint, tighten fasteners, and clean debris to maintain longevity. Place fragile pieces in sheltered areas or under partial cover to extend their lifespan. Remember, natural weathering adds character. Embrace some rustic charm. From tires to tiles, bottles to bricks, You've seen how trash becomes treasure with just a bit of creativity and care. Which project will you try first? Tell us your favorites in the comments below. We'd love to see your ideas and photos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more inspiring, easy DIY garden projects. Your garden is your canvas. Start turning trash into art today. We've covered 10 creative and eco-friendly DIY raised garden bed ideas, perfect for small spaces and tight budgets. From upcycled plastic bottles to concrete blocks and metal planters, each of these ideas will help you create a thriving garden with minimal effort. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more gardening tips and ideas. Thanks for watching Golden Seniors Gardening, and happy gardening.